Hello everyone, and welcome to the review of the GoPro Sports Kit. And this is the updated version, and you are going to see why it's an update version. And I'm going to release it from this cardboard. And the bag itself, it's really nice and compact, very soft. And inside we get this protection first that we need to remove. Alright, so that's off now, and you can actually open it, and we get two important accessories. First is the new Chesty version, and that's why this is a new kit. And the new Chesty version has a really nice update. It has this very soft cushion, so when you wear this, it's a lot more comfortable. And this plastic here, the plastic that sits on your chest, is now flexible, and that's really good because the old one had a very hard plastic plate here. And in case of action videos, such as wearing this while riding your bike downhill, it kind of became a problem in case of a crash, because that hard plastic could have impact your chest and could create other problems. Well, this one, it's not only cushion but also the support is flexible, which is really nice, and has this very easy to remove Redesign clip, and I really like this. It's also less bigger than the old model was, so it's kind of compact and nice and not so intrusive and taking half of your chest while wearing this. So I really like this update. And the other accessories, you may know this is a handlebar seat post mount, and it's really good quality, very thick materials, really resistant, and has this pivot here which makes it a quick release. And this is padded with rubber here and has another rubber garment for thinner handlebars or stuff like that, and you can quickly mount this. And I really like how they did that. And also you have this rotating function, so you press this and you can rotate the camera as you want to, and when you release, it will clip into position and it will hold that position. And you get also a J buckle system, and comes with a silicone pad that will protect this from getting accidentally unclipped, and it will also protect it from generating vibration. And you get an extra padding for other type of handlebars, and that's really good, and an extra screw, so you get a rather decent amount of accessories for your GoPro camera. But more important is that they are high quality, and especially this one, it's a lot more safer than the old version. So that was it for now. I hope that you have enjoyed this video, and until my next one, see you and bye bye.